a great choice today with the 2016 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.